What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new subscribers, new viewers. So today I'll be showing you guys what I bought for the week of eating and training that I mentioned in the previous video. If you didn't see my vlog, please go check it out. I'll just link it up there. So yeah, I just decided that I wanted to film a whole week of eating and training. So I'll be showing you guys what I'll be eating on a daily basis, from breakfast to supper. Hopefully I'll be able to capture each and every meal and show you guys what I have. Yeah, so let's not waste any time and get into it. Okay, so I bought some kale, which I'll be using mainly in my smoothies. So for the past week I've been using spinach as the base for my smoothies, or as the main green for my smoothies. So I just switched up and got some kale. I got a bit of kale and some spinach as well. So this is the kale, baby spinach, and I got some broccoli as well, some green beans, avos, okay, there's still more veggies and fruits, but these are the meats that I got. So I typically eat the same thing almost every day. My main source of protein is chicken breast and minced meat or ground beef. So this is about 1 kilogram of ground beef or minced meat, and about a kilogram of boneless chicken breast. Okay, so these are the main things that I eat. I also got some beef patties just to switch things up. Yeah, I actually forgot to buy buns. Now that I'm looking at these patties, I forgot to buy buns. I forgot to buy lettuce to make the burgers, but I'll obviously go get those. So yeah, these are the main sources of protein that I'll be taking, and then those are the greens that I'll be incorporating into my meals. Yeah, I've got some peanut butter. This I use for my oats in the morning, and I sometimes add it to my smoothies. Another source of protein. Okay. Onions, not a big deal. I got some mangoes for my smoothies. Got some kiwis. Got some raspberries for my smoothies. I got some tomatoes for my mince. And I got some bananas. These are mainly for smoothies and snacking sometimes. Butternut. Yeah, I really enjoy eating butternut. And my next thing will be sweet potatoes. These are like my favorite vegetables to incorporate into my meals. I have these almost every day. So it's that. Some green peppers. Okay. I also got some grapes for snacking. And then I got some pawpaw. Yeah, this I use for my smoothies. Yeah, just pawpaw, bananas. Those are the main things that I use for my smoothies. Okay, I also got a knob of ginger for my tea in the morning. Yeah, if you haven't seen my day in the life, I'll just link that in the description or somewhere. Okay, got some sweet corn. I have a lot of sweet corn as well. Okay, and I got some Jungle Oats. So this I use for smoothies and to eat in the morning. So this is my main breakfast. Yeah, this is what I have every day for breakfast, and I do grind some of it for my smoothies and pancakes as well. So that's that. So I also got some red kidney beans, just to add that extra protein. More arrows. And yeah, some orange juice and cranberry juice. Yeah, this is, you know, just to drink in the morning or whenever I need to drink juice. Yeah guys, so this is my food. So this will hopefully last me for about a week or 2 weeks, hopefully 2 weeks, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'll be taking you guys to gym and showing you what I'll be working on this whole week. So today is Monday and it's a public holiday, so I just decided to take a rest day. I usually don't rest on Mondays, I just rest on Sundays. So yeah, I'll be commencing tomorrow and I'll be taking you guys with and showing you what I'll be working on. So check you guys when I'm preparing my first meal, which will be tomorrow morning, and then yeah, and then I'll see you at gym. But for now, yeah, let's just end it here.